Are you craving a healthy summer salad and a refreshing dressing? Today I'll give you the favorite recipes of the Jovial Race, our health coaches. Hi, I'm Honey Berger, CEO of Jovial. We are a network of professional health coaches helping you live a healthy and joyful life. Before we get started, make sure to click the subscribe or follow button right below so you never miss an episode. Also, today I've included links to 2 blogs in the notes below, which give you even more details about how you can whip up your favorite salad. Okay, let's get cooking. First on the list is a watermelon summer salad. One of the best things about summer salads are the ingredients you wouldn't typically expect to find in a salad, such as watermelon or mint. Combine watermelon with cucumber and mint, and you have a sweet and savory salad that can be used as a main course for lunch or as a side for dinner. This is a low-calorie meal, high in nutrients like carotenoids, vitamin A, C and K, magnesium, potassium, and a good source of antioxidants as well. Next up, the broccoli salad. Trust me, a broccoli salad can taste even much better than it looks. You might find different recipes and versions of this salad online. As always, feel free to substitute the unhealthy store-bought dressings for healthier options. The main staple, of course, here is broccoli. Cranberries are included, chopped pecans, and red onions. This salad is packed with vitamin A, calcium, iron, high levels of vitamin C, and antioxidants, which will keep your immune system strong, your heart healthy, and every cell of your body young. Now, with strawberries still in season, you must try a strawberry and spinach salad. It's definitely a crowd pleaser here at Jovial, and I'm sure it will be with your family and friends as well. This salad offers a great combination of fruit, leafy greens, and healthy fats when you add an avocado. I love adding avocados to my salad. It makes everything taste so creamy. This salad is as well full of powerful antioxidants, vitamin C, magnesium, and fiber, and healthy fats which help absorb all of these wonderful vitamins and minerals into every cell of your body. Not least of all, I have a salad so full of flavor, your taste buds will thank me. It's the Southwestern black bean salad. This tasty combination of black beans and corn and tomato and red onions can be served as a side dish or as an appetizer with organic tortilla chips. It's best to use sweet, fresh corn, but if need be, use thawed, frozen corn. Wait. Did you think I would leave you with all of these fantastic salads without giving you some tasty dressing recipes and salad toppings? No. You may not realize that your dressing is one of the easiest ways to add a lot of sugar, calories, and unhealthy fats to your salad. Many store-bought dressings are also loaded with processed ingredients, preservatives, and chemicals that increase inflammation in your body. By making your own, you're not only in control of what goes into the dressing, but can also customize it to your specific taste. Once you start creating your own dressing, it becomes so easy to whip up different variations. It just takes a few super easy steps. First, you want to start with a good base. You can use a high quality oil, or if you're craving super creamy dressing, try tahini paste. Don't skimp on the oil. The amount is critical. Often people use less wanting to reduce the calories or make it lighter, but our bodies need healthy fats to absorb fat-soluble vitamins and reduce inflammation. The oil is also needed to create a perfect texture for the dressing. Be sure to select the best quality of oil, such as extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, sesame oil, or herb-infused olive oils. Or choose another base, such as Greek yogurt, tahini paste, hummus, or a mayo that uses avocado or olive oil as a base. Next, you'll want to add some acid like vinegar or citrus to bring a little bit of a tang to the dressing, such as apple cider vinegar, balsamic vinegar, lemon juice, white or red wine vinegar, or orange juice. use a 3-to-1 ratio of oil versus vinegar. Finally, you can add an emulsifier such as mustard or avocado to help the oil and the acids blend really well together, and maybe add a little bit of sweetness like a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. Feel free to adjust this ratio obviously to suit your taste and build from there. If you prefer, you can use a high-powered blender. I like using this method for creamier dressings that use ingredients like avocado, but it also works really well for vinaigrettes. Once you get into the habit of making your own salad dressing, you won't have to measure ingredients anymore. And you know what? Most store-bought dressings won't measure up. For the final touch, add toppings like crumbled feta cheese, toasted nuts or seeds like pumpkin seeds or sunflower or hemp seeds. You can add fresh fruits like apples, blueberries, sliced peaches, and even sprinkle salted meats on top like crumbled bacon or crispy prosciutto. With many of us being gluten intolerant, I leave croutons out, seeing we already have so much crunch with all the other more nutritious ingredients in our salad. Okay, so definitely check out our dressing blog, link in the description box below, for more great recipes, additional information, and ideas. Would you like to learn how to incorporate more healthy foods and recipes into your diet? I invite you to work with a Joyville health coach who will help you develop new habits that lead you to living a healthier and more joyful life. Just go to joyville.com, that's JOYVIAL.com, or give us a call at 1-866-JOYVILLE to schedule your free consultation. Having said that, if you have any questions on this topic, leave me a comment below and we'll get back to you. I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Ciao.